So I have already done the first part, and now I'm gonna show you how I did this with the second part. Okay, so the first one I left a long thread in the beginning for sewing later, and this time here I leave a long thread at the end of my half donut. So refer to the written pattern if you need to. You'll find the link in the description box. So starting with a magic loop, I'll chain 15. One, oops, okay, 1, 2. So I've got my 15 chains here. They are facing me. What I need to do is they're facing outside. I will join this way to form a ring. I'll join with a slip stitch. Right, I'll tighten my work. Then I'll chain 1. Starting with the first stitch, I'll chain 1 and I'll make 2 single crochet in every chain. So 1, 2, next one, 1, and 2, till the end of the round, then join to close the row. So here I'm done with the first round and I'll join with a slip stitch. Okay, now from the next row, which is this one, I'm gonna chain 1 and then I'm gonna do 1 single crochet in every stitch for the next 4 rows. So chain 1 single crochet in every stitch for every row, and then we'll come back and see what to do next. So single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in every stitch. We repeat 3 more rows after this. So I am now done with the second color, which is the brown, and I left a long thread for sewing later on. I'm gonna first hide my extra threads before I start sewing. So just put them in between the stitches. So with the outer side facing me for both, I'm gonna put them on top of the other. Okay, first I'll join my needle and I will start sewing from here, so I will join the other side. Okay. It's a bit tricky in the beginning, but it will get easier. Oops. Okay, so I'll finish sewing this way. You can choose a different color or the same color of the donut. For me, I chose 2 colors. I just wanted to see how it will look like once I put the filler inside the cotton or the fiber, whichever you prefer. Okay. Okay, you can fasten off, and then you can hide the thread inside. So I'll just insert it inside so it's not visible anymore. Okay, like this. Okay, now the inside is all sewed. It's all stitched. And now I'm gonna start with the outside. Okay, we'll make sure that all the stitches are facing one another. I will start from this side and going to the white one. In midway, I'll start inserting my filler. Okay, here I can start with the filler before I finish stitching. So I'm using cotton because this is what I got in hand. Voilà. and I'll continue sewing. Okay, looks nice. And I will add one more, the final one. Okay, and then I will do my last stitch and that's it. And then I can hide my thread inside. Then cut the rest off later on. So this is my donut. I will finish cleaning and it's ready. You can add a keychain to this and use it as a keychain. You can make it smaller or bigger, but this is the easy way how to make a donut. I hope you like this tutorial and found it easy. It's very nice. I think I'm gonna make more. More of this, and then we'll see. I hope you like the tutorial. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, as always, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.